So we've got the one that I recommended before, which is muncheye.com. And once again, this is mostly software and courses, okay? You're not really going to find any fitness stuff here or anything like that. Just remember that. Just keep that in mind. Alright guys, in this brief video, this is going to be a really quick video. I want to show you how to find places where products are going to launch. I talked about this briefly in the JV Zoo video, but all I do, guys, is just use Google. Like really easy. I go to JV Launch, which is Joint Venture Launch, in Google, and they have a search. And these are pretty much the two best ones right here. There's a couple of others, but I find that these are the best. So we've got the one that I recommended before, which is muncheye.com. And once again, this is mostly software and courses, okay? You're not really going to find any fitness stuff here or anything like that. Just remember that. Just keep that in mind. Now, JV Notify is really cool, guys. This is kind of where all the big guns come out. This is how you get notified about all the massive promotions. People like Ty Lopez, all those sorts of people who do who have big massive promotions planned. They will put their stuff on here. Now, I don't really use this much. It's really confusing for me. Like, I don't really understand. So here we go. So here's some launches coming up here, but I think I have to sign in. So here's all the list of launches. But what I would recommend you do, guys, I can actually look. So here we go. What I would actually recommend you do, guys, with this one is sign up to their email list, okay? Well, so yeah, log in, sign up, and you'll get sent emails when all the big launches come. And this is going to be good for when you do things like, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you have no audience right now, you don't really need to worry about this because you're not going to be using this. But with the methods that I show you inside this training, you'll see what I mean. We're going to talk about how to build an email list, and then what you want to promote to your email list. You're going to need places to find products to promote. So this is where you will come, okay? Depending on your niche, of course. So there's JV Notify Pro, there is a Muncheye, there is this one. Oh, this is the same one. But guys, what I recommend as well is Facebook, guys. There's actually Facebook groups, and they're full of, let's do launch. They are full of launch affiliates. They're full of people promoting their, so here we go, JV Affiliates Launch Calendar. You can join that one. This one I'm involved in here. We'll check that out. We'll go to groups here. So you can go to groups, and this is quite cool. There's quite a lot of them. And some of them will have like fitness stuff as well, but once again, most of it is kind of software and things like that. But you get the idea. So people will post products, and the good thing about this is, like, let's just say you're like, okay, I need to make some money this week. I've got a list of people that I can promote to. Boom, a product shows up in your newsfeed. Okay, I might promote this. Pretty cool stuff. So that's just what I wanted to show you, how to find product launches. And once again, this is really will mean nothing to you if you're just starting with affiliate, so don't worry about that. I would recommend choosing particular methods, some methods in this training, and depending on what method you choose is going to really depend on how you go about this. You might not even need the JV launch formula at all. Okay, so yeah, this is just how you find them, guys. You go to things like Muncheye, and that's it. Okay, very quick video. Don't need to be long on this one. That's how you can find software products and courses and things like that online to promote and give you the dates on when they're coming out.